Hello everyone, welcome to my channel where I talk about personal finance. Today I'm going to talk about a waste of your money, brand new cars. Let's get into the video. Brand new cars. A new car loses around 20% of its value as soon as you drive it off the lot and continues to depreciate rapidly. Unless you have substantial wealth, buying a new is a luxury with no financial upside. The cost of insurance and registration is also significantly higher. What to do instead? Opt for a certified pre-owned vehicle that's 2 to 3 years old. It offers reliability, lower depreciation, and better value for your money. Thanks for watching this video and do not forget to subscribe to my channel.